So this is the part of prosthodontics that I really love, which is being able to customize somebody's smile. It starts with just being able to talk with somebody and see, what do you consider a beautiful or an attractive smile? I ask patients to show me all the time, like, give me examples of what you like in somebody's smile. What do you want to see in your smile? And by being able to have our lab techs on site to partner with us, to bring them into the room, to have them actually see the patient in front of them, it gives them an opportunity to really create something amazing because they're a part of that and they're in the office with us. So when we're able to design and customize these smiles, that really is customized to everything that our patients are seeking, down to the color, the size, the shape, positioning of the teeth. All of that has such big implications on how the overall smile is going to look that each portion is so important to really make sure that we get it right.